Once I got my nose on it, I was like, holy cow. And again, couldn't stop wearing it because it was just getting better and better and better. And that is by Argos, and it is Adonis Awakens. The artwork that is on here, because you can't tell, but this is like a 3D artwork plate. It is incredible how this is hand painted. Maybe there you can see that it's literally 3D. It's incredible. The fragrance, opening with that bergamot and grapefruit citrus bang with a little bit of pink pepper, but then you quickly get jasmine and vanilla and raspberry. It's very fresh, like the raspberry and the citrus mixed together. It is a beautiful rose, is what it is, with that creamy vanilla woody base. It's incredible. The sillage around me is what's insane. And it leaves an incredible trail around you. They'll love this one. So pretty. I really like these fruity floral fragrances. I will always come back to the fruity florals and feel really good about them.